Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Once again, I'm back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm Shailesh Kulsunghe, father of a superboy, a hoteler since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a Steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. In continuation with my previous videos, today I'm going to talk on the key element, one of the key elements on the debt term sheet. We are going to talk on the part payment and the prepayment part. The part payment and the prepayment rule, we should know why I'm touching this point, because when we actually deal into it, when we actually go into it, we get stuck somewhere. So what do you understand by part payment? Part payment is nothing but while the time of servicing your debt, your business is improving, your cash flows are getting healthier, then automatically you feel like doing some payment to the bank which will help you reduce your debt burden. So that is called the part payment. Now payment is usually more than your EMI. You cannot just go to the bank and just say I want to give you XYZ amount. No, the bank will never accept it. So see, that's the reason I'm trying to touch this, all these points, because we should know what are the basic rules, and all these guidelines are from the ruling authorities, the ruling banking authorities. In India, what is the ruling authority for banking system? It is the RBI. Internationally, it is the LIBOR. So the guidelines are coming from the ruling authority. So when we are going to the bank, we should know that we are not expected to do a part payment lesser than your EMI account. It should be more than your EMI account. Point number one. Point number two, whenever you are doing any part payment, it is deducted from the principal amount and their tenure is also lessened. Let us talk about the prepayment. What do you understand by prepayment? Prepayment is considered when you clear the principal and the interest till date. That is called the prepayment. Part payment is different and prepayment is different. We spoke about the part payment. Now prepayment is once you are in a position to clear the entire principal amount, you are in the position to clear the entire interest till date, it will be considered as your prepayment. I hope I have made both the differences clear, because I have faced this while I was doing the project, so I thought of putting this across to people, to the industry mates, so that they gather the information and at least they get the information, they should know what exactly is difference between part payment and prepayment. Winding up with this, if you like my video, say like, please connect with me, subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon. Lots of information, micro videos, a lot of micro topics are already there on my YouTube channel. Lot more is coming. Stay connected, and I'll be back soon with more crucial videos and more micro videos. Till then, God bless you. Thank you. Bye.